You have definitely seen these YouTube videos getting millions of views, and you must be thinking that creating this type of content is expensive. Definitely not, because today I am going to show you totally free to create these fitness videos yourself. First, I had created a master prompt for you. You will find its link in description. Copy the whole prompt. Now open ChatGPT and paste it here. Then GPT will provide us 10 workout ideas. For example, I am going with biceps, so I will type 3. Then GPT will ask for a reference image. Take a screenshot of the image from the document and upload it here. Then GPT will provide the scenes for our video. And for image and video prompts, just type next. And now we have image and video prompts ready for all the scenes. Just copy the first image prompt. Now open Flow AI. Here, upload the reference image, then add this image to prompt and paste the first image prompt. Choose your aspect ratio and number of outputs. Now hit generate. And our first scene image is ready. Then choose Create Video. Choose Frames to Video. Upload the generated image as frame 1. Copy the first video prompt from GPT and paste it here. Then hit Generate, and within seconds our first video scene is ready. Using the same method, generate all the 4 video clips and save them. Once you had all the videos ready, come back to GPT. Here ask GPT for full voiceover in a paragraph. Then copy the script. Paste into 11 Labs and generate your voiceover. Once you had all the things ready, open your editing software, import all the clips and voiceover, adjust the clips according to the voiceover, and add captions for better engagement. And here is the final result.
You train your biceps, but they still look small. And the problem isn't just size, it's how you're training them. If your elbows come forward when you curl, you're not fully hitting the long head, which is what gives your biceps that tall, peaked look. To actually grow, you need stretch under load. Exercises like incline curls put your biceps in the position where they can develop properly. And here's what most people miss. Your triceps make up the majority of your arm size, so if you're not training them hard enough, your arms will always look small no matter how many curls you do.
So that's how you can create these viral fitness videos using free AI tools. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Riavron for more AI tutorials, and comment below which AI niche you want me to cover next.